Hi, it's Michelle from CNC Designs. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in New Zealand, and I've got another quick tip for you. When you're putting cardstock onto your card using double-sided tear and tape, I like to use tabs, so that makes it easier for placement and if you need to adjust things. So simply create a tab on each little strip, bend it over, and over, and over, and last one. So then when you place it down, you can make sure it's in the right spot. So if you were to place it down crooked and you'd already pulled off all the adhesive, you'd have difficulty getting it up and fixing it. But if you've only pulled off a little bit of adhesive, you can easily readjust it, stick it down the way you want, and when it's the way you like, you simply pull the tabs away on all four sides to give you a nice even coverage. There you go. Quick tip for today. If you like the tip, please give me a thumbs up and please place a comment, and feel free to subscribe because I'll have more tips coming your way soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.